There's a new twist in the case involving fugitive diamond heir Mehul Choksi. His mysterious escape to Dominica from Antigua. India Today has now learned that Choksi apparently was with a young woman when he landed at Dominica. Choksi's lawyers claim she was to meet Choksi and used to meet him during evening walks, and then invited Choksi to a home from where he was abducted. This revelation comes a day after Antiguan Prime Minister Gaston Browne claimed that Choksi had fled to Dominica with his girlfriend and that he was on a romantic trip. This comes as India Today accessed a fresh set of Choksi's pictures from a hospital in Dominica. He's seen with injury marks on his body. The question remains, who is this mystery alleged lady friend of Mehul Choksi?
लगातार बात आ रही है कि अपनी गर्लफ्रेंड के साथ भागने की उन्होंने कोशिश की। कौन थी वो महिला?
जी, एक महिला थी जो उनके पड़ोस में आके रहती थी और फिर उन्होंने शिफ्ट कर लिया था, तो उनकी फैमिली में भी आना जाना था। कोई ये गर्लफ्रेंड तो वर्ड यूज कर दिया जाता है थोड़ी सी स्टोरी को स्पाइसी बनाने के लिए, जबकि बिल्कुल ऐसा नहीं है। उनके घर आना जाना था, उनकी फैमिली में आना जाना था, तो इवनिंग में वॉक पे मिल जाते थे दोनों आपस में। तो जो है इन्होंने, वो लेडी पहले शिफ्ट हुई थी और जो पूरा पता चल रहा है कि वो भी इस ऑपरेशन का हिस्सा थी। तो इनको ट्रैप करने के लिए वो लेडी को सीड किया गया था, प्लांट किया गया था। और जो है क्या कहते हैं, पहले वो
किसने प्लांट किया?
वॉक पे, पहले मैं अपनी बात खत्म कर लूं पिछली। तो जो वॉक पे वो कंपनी कर लेती थी, और उस दिन उन्होंने जब वो अपने मरीना के वहां पे उनके वहां पहुंचे और वो उन्होंने कहा कि आप घर में आइए, तो उनको इनवाइट किया। तो वहां पर फिर ये लोग थे जिन्होंने उनको पिक करके ले जाया गया। अब ये जब किसने प्लांट किया, क्या किया, अब ये बताएं। ये काफी सारे सवाल इसमें हैं। बिल्कुल पूनम जी, आपने बिल्कुल ठीक कहा, काफी सारे सवाल हैं। पहला सवाल है, वो अब लेडी कहाँ है? जिस याच से ले जाया गया वो याच कहाँ है? जब वहां पे जो डोमिनिका की पुलिस है आई, तो पुलिस को इंफॉर्मेशन किसने दी? वहां सीसीटीवी फुटेज कहाँ है? वहां इतने सारे लोगों की एंट्री कैसे हो गई? जो चैनल्स पे दिखाया जा रहा है कि 2 इंडियंस थे, वो काफी टाइम से डोमिनिका में रुके हुए थे, कैरेबियन कंट्री में रुके हुए थे, 45 डेज से। वो लोग अब कहाँ हैं? और अगर किसी को मेहुल चोकसी को वहां से भागना था, तो ये बताएं, वो अपना पासपोर्ट तो लेके जाएंगे? उनका पासपोर्ट एंटीगुआ पे उनके घर पे है। तो और अब वो लेडी कहाँ गई? तो ये जो सारी, और फिर इनकी जो इंजरीज कैसे हुई? और उनको मंडे को ही डोमिनिका पुलिस मिल चुकी थी, तो फिर ये पूरे वर्ल्ड को ये बात वेडनेसडे को क्यों बताई गई?
Let's also listen in to Antigua's Prime Minister Gaston Browne, who insists that Choksi fled to Dominica with this lady friend of his.
The Dominican government has a free hand to act. In fact, Mehul Choksi may have made a mistake to travel to Dominica. The information that we're getting now is that he may have taken his girlfriend to Dominica, probably to dinner to have a good time and so on, and got caught. Now, that would have been a monumental error, because whereas in Antigua, because he's a citizen, we could not deport him.
India Today has now accessed more details about this mystery lady friend, the mystery woman who allegedly honey trapped Mehul Choksi. Sources say she was staying in Antigua. Sometime back, she started meeting Mehul Choksi on morning walks and evening walks. She then made friends with Choksi, and then on the 23rd of May, called him to her apartment for a meeting. Now, apparently, when Mehul Choksi reached that apartment, there were people who were waiting there. Now, according to Choksi's lawyer, he was allegedly abducted from the lady's house and taken to Dominica, where he was arrested. So let's try and make sense of what was happening. What was Choksi doing? Now, Choksi was in Antigua. India was trying to have him extradited. There was a case that was on. Suddenly, why did he go to Dominica? The first theory is that he was on a pleasure trip with his lady friend, and that pleasure trip went wrong. This is what Gaston Browne, Antigua's Prime Minister, is saying. Theory 2, he was snared while escaping to Cuba. Theory number 3, he escaped Antigua because he feared that he would be extradited, he may be deported to India. Theory 4, and this is the theory that is being put forward by his lawyers and friends who say that he was abducted, forcibly taken to Dominica on a yacht because the aim was to ultimately get him back to India. Theory 5, that he used forged documents to travel out of Antigua to Dominica, and from Dominica he wanted to flee to Cuba. There are multiple theories that are doing the rounds, but then there are also several unanswered questions at this point of time. The biggest question, who was that girl? Who was that lady who actually picked up a house next to Choksi, made friends with him and accompanied him initially on morning walks and evening walks, and then, according to the lawyer, played a crucial role in his abduction? Where is this lady now who accompanied Choksi? Now, did this mystery girl lure him and play a role in his abduction as claimed by his legal team? How did Choksi and that girl get to Dominica? Where is that yacht at this point of time? Did Choksi and the girl forge documents to enter Dominica? And at this point of time, where is this mystery woman? So there is no end to the troubles for this fugitive diamantaire, Mehul Choksi. The Prime Minister of Antigua and Barbuda, Gaston Brown, he insists Mehul Choksi left Antigua with this mystery woman, but he was caught in Dominica. India Today has accessed some photographs where he's seen behind bars. There are injury marks on his body. India Today's Munish Pandey with this report.
Trouble mounts for fugitive businessman Mehul Choksi, lodged in a Dominican jail. On Saturday, the first images of the diamantaire surfaced from behind the jail. A bruised Choksi could be seen with a red eye and lacerations on his arm. A pale shadow of his earlier self, Choksi appeared visibly thin and almost dazed behind bars. The PNB scam accused's lawyer alleged that he was abducted from Antigua and forcibly taken to Dominica and was badly beaten up. A claim denied by the Antiguan police chief.
So we have no information, we have no evidence that he was forcefully removed from Antigua. And even in the assertion made by the attorney, there is no such truth to that any police force in Antigua was involved in that. We had no involvement in any movement of him from Antigua to Dominica or wherever he left to.
Antigua PM Gaston Brown, however, claimed that Choksi was on a pleasure trip to Dominica with his girlfriend, but was captured there. He even claimed that Choksi has been bribing Antiguan opposition to cut a deal for freedom.
The Dominican government has a free hand to act. In fact, Mehul Choksi may have made a mistake to travel to Dominica. The information that we're getting now is that he may have taken his girlfriend to Dominica, probably to dinner to have a good time and so on, and got caught. What is happening here, is that they are literally defending the campaign money. So here's a situation in which Choksi had the best law firm representing him. But some UPP individuals befriended him, started to take money from him, small contributions. And he promised them big contributions since they told him that they will get their UPP lawyers to get him off the hook. And that if they win the next general elections, that they will protect him.
Now an Indian plane awaits for Choksi in Dominica, with documents from Indian courts to confirm that Choksi is a fugitive, which may lead to his deportation to India.
I can confirm that there is a jet there. My understanding is that the Indian government has sent certain documentation from the courts in India to confirm that, Mr. Choksi is indeed a fugitive. And my understanding, the documentation will be utilized in the court case that will be heard, or the court hearing next Wednesday.
But opposition leader in Antigua slammed his government for requesting direct extradition of Mehul Choksi to India, claiming that Choksi is a citizen of Antigua.
The fact is, the process started here in Antigua quite rightly with a request from the Indian government. Mr. Choksi wasn't just located in Antigua, he's a citizen of Antigua and Barbuda. How can you send someone to a country where they have no citizenship and no right to reside? It has to be Antigua and Barbuda because he's not a citizen of India.
This is a golden opportunity for India to bring back Mehul Choksi, because if he goes back to Antigua, then the extradition proceeding will take years to get over. While Mehul Choksi is using the alleged torture marks on his body to avoid coming back to India, the Indian authorities, according to sources, are already in Dominica to convince the authorities and court there that he is a mastermind of a very serious crime and he should be deported back to India as soon as possible. With Geeta Mohan, this is Munish Pandey in Delhi for India Today.